In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back archive lists on Trello. If you've ever archived a list on Trello and later realized you need it back, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this simple process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to restore any archived lists with ease. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. As you reach the home page, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Once you are on the login page, you'll have a couple of options. You can either enter your email and password combination, or if you prefer a quicker way, use your Google account credentials to log in. This flexibility with login options makes it convenient for you to access your Trello account. Now that you're logged into Trello, direct your attention to the boards section by navigating to the main menu, often found on the left-hand side. Click on Boards, and it will take you to a comprehensive view of all the boards you have access to. In this view, you'll see a section labelled Your Workspaces. Under this section, you will find all the workspaces you're part of. Choose the specific workspace and board where the list you previously archived resides. Click on that board to open it up. When the board opens, you'll notice there are three small dots located at the upper right corner of the screen. Simply click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labelled Archived Items. This is what we're looking for, so go ahead and click on it. Doing so will bring up a list of items that have been archived, including the cards, and importantly for our purpose today, the lists. Now, to make it easier to find your archived list, click on Switch to Lists. This will filter out archived cards and display only lists, helping you quickly locate the one you want to restore to your board. After locating the archived list that you wish to retrieve, click on Send to Board. This option will immediately restore the list back to where it originally belonged on your board, complete with all the cards it contained at the time of archiving. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully restored an archived list on Trello. Remember, this process is not only quick, but is also an easy way to keep your workflow organized without losing any of your important information. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.